All right. Here it is. The low serial number game for the TLAW Contenders Optic Rookie Auto. Look at Scotty B way up top. Thunderball, Scotty again, Hoosier, Thunderball again, the Birds. Thunderball's all up in there. I like to see it. Well, as you guys know, on these low serial number games, it really doesn't matter where you're at, because all you need is a card with a low serial number coming out of here. There it is. Top to bottom all the way, in case you didn't know what teams you had. Appreciate you guys for getting in. Good luck to everyone. Somebody is going home with this TLAW Contenders Optic. It's the orange again. Like I said, out of 25. 18 out of 20. What is his 16? Oh my goodness, that was so close to being jersey number. Lil Kirko 2 Chains 101 coming in hot. Is that right, MX? Is that right? I mean, you never know. You never know. All right, I'll keep this thing straight front and center. You know I'm getting this thing out of here. Getting this thing right out. Although, sometimes score might surprise you. You can get an out of 6 from score, which would put a pretty big dent into the lead. All right, so vet base does not ship on this. I feel like you guys should know that by now. But it's going to be a Denzel Ward out of 20 already. That's what I'm saying. As much as people love to hate on score, there is short stuff. It might surprise you. Hot Sauce with a real lead right now. First pack in. Denzel Ward. I'll tell you what, I do like me some Denzel Ward. That's a Buckeye right there. We'll send out the rookies. Don't you worry. How about an Eli Ricks? Oh, man. How about score coming in short? This one's out of 35, but still, that would be a good lead. Browning's going to hold it. All right. Don't think we have anything numbered in this one. Oh, just kidding. Kenneth Gainwell on the base auto. No numbers on there. Still going to take it. Buda Baker. J Mansfield at the 32nd. Can you do something here? Oh, Score is a sneaky box when it comes to the low serial number games. 7 out of 10. J Mansfield at the very bottom. That's nuts. That is nuts. So we basically need gold out of this other stuff. Jake Hayner. Going to the Saints. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything in those first couple packs. Like an auto or something. Okay. Should be good. All right, we keep it going. D-Hop. They give us points. Got to random those off. So what? We're in 1, 2, 3 autos. I think it's 5 a box. But Arizona with a commanding lead right now. Uh-oh. Bengals. Bengals. GM Cobb. Can they give you a run for your money? Out of 100. Jordan Battle. All right, so should be an auto in these last two, I think. How many autos in score? 4 autographs, so we should have one more auto. Tank Bigsby. I'll take that all day long. I don't care if it's numbered or not. Tell you what, Yandis. Yep. Take that one. Mm-hmm. And last one out of score here. Anything. All right, so first box. Tell you what. Doing some good stuff out of there. Buda Baker. How funny would it be if we got if we pulled a DK Metcalf to come behind and win? All right. I'm going to go for Luminance. You know what you're going to be a little bit terrified about is that Mosaic Choice box. You get a black and gold out of there. Oh, that could be game over. 4 packs. Black and golds, I believe, are numbered to 8. Ooh. Okay, I thought it was dual auto. Daniel Jones, Eli Manning. How about a Tyree Wilson out of 50? Not going to take the lead there. And a Jackson Smith and Jigba to 150, followed by a Breece Hall to 50. It's going to be Josh Allen to 100. And Kendre Miller to 350. Vestige of Tua. Straw's not in this game, but it's going to call Mosaic Choice to end it. I think you might be right. The only other thing that I think could possibly roll out is a 101 in a Donruss Elite. Whether it be a pat or a plate or a true 101. I think it's possible. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Scotty B. Michael Pittman Jr. 2 out of 10. Taking, what is that? Is it a lead or is it a tie? 2 out of 10 versus 7 out of 10 on the Buda Baker. Scotty is now in the lead. Do you feel comfortable, though? Do you feel comfortable? Roshan Johnson. Take that year 1 auto. Or a 101 in plates. Ooh. Yeah, you might be right there. I'm going to save those 2 boxes for last. Out of 175, Nolan Smith. Oh, I did not know they came out with the water slide card. I'm going to just pick that up just to get one. I thought they never came out with one. That's sick. All right. Let's see it. We got a Redemptioni. Luminance Auto Vertical. Joey Porter Jr. There we go. All right, so I do want to do something a little bit different. What do we go for? Let's go for some of this stuff. See if we haven't already seen it. All right, so current leads 2 out of 10. Okay. Trying to figure out which way is forward. Oh my goodness. Look at all the stuff rolling out of 10 right now. Saints giving you a run for your money. Mike R. took a shot. Came up short, but you did take a shot. 10 out of 10. Current lead is 2 out of 10. Wow. All right. Then we got a Jalen Carter. Take that for the Eagles. Cornerback. Then it's going to be, another short one. Out of 15, Drew Sanders for Denver. Nally. Not in contention, but it is short. It is short. Jahmyr Gibbs out of 99, rookie influx. And Daniel Jones on the back. All right. Go over to Elite. Yeah, seriously. Out of 10, out of 15. In a serial number game, and a lot of other serial number games, out of 10 and an out of 15 would be like, oh, that's for sure taking the lead. We've already had all right, so it's 3 out of 10s, an out of 15, and an out of 20, and an out of 35. Take a Fields full throttle. Is he on full throttle tonight? I don't know. It seems like he's slowed down a little bit. Jamar Chase. Christian Gonzalez, that's out of 50. Got a Kelsey right there. Kelsey is not numbered. They would be a little bit colored if they were. Jonathan Mingo out of 999. We got Pen Pals. Cedric Tillman. Brownies. Hot sauce. There you go. Oh my goodness, did Washington just come back? Josh Downs. Got a Miles Murphy. Pen Pals again. Oh, make it a Mile Mayer. That's out of 999. The Michael Mayer. Black ink. Nike head. There you go. That's all you. Yeah, Straw. I think that NFL Shield was at a 25. Wasn't that a Mosaic We did Mosaic with that, didn't we? Will Anderson. Mosaic can be kind of tough, but when you throw in the choice, that's where things get tricky. Jake Hayner out of 399. Josh Allen, playmakers. And we got Sauce Gardner at a 399. George Kittle. And Darnell Wright out of 999. Oh, we might have something short here. Trevor Lawrence out of 375 on the patch. It is not as short as I thought it was going to be. Joey Bosa out of 99. Going to the Chargers. Nothing there. Got a Jalen Hurts out of 149. Little Nick Bosa action. Both Bosa bros. That's kind of hard to say. Goes to Ryan Tannehill out of 99. Ooh. On the die cut, Dalton Kincaid to 99. That's kind of sick. Going to the Bills. Will H. Yeah, Mosaic Hobby, not choice. Yep. Amon-Ra St. Brown at a 349. And last pack. Out of Elite. Jonathan Taylor. Okay. Donruss Elite out of the way there. Let's go on to this Mosaic. I think Bears just secured the win. Missed field goal by the Washington kicker. Wow. Think that did it. I mean, there was no way to know if they were going to catch up or not. But Cameron Brown, it's going to be the blue to 99. We got the Jake Hayner, Terry McLaurin. And our first auto, Willie Gault. There that is. Derrick Henry. Patrick Surtain. Devontae Adams. Keep it going out of here. See a Kirk Cousins. And an Ozzie Newsome. Orange out of 199. Christian Watson, Mike Williams, and a DJ Chark. Got to have some gold come out of here. Oh, what are these numbered at again? Tessellations. Brian Burns. How about a Jalen Hyatt? These are numbered out of 15. Oh my goodness. I thought that was going to be shorter. That is still really dang short. Out of 15 on the Jalen Hyatt for the Giants. Soro. Go ahead now. What if we just went 1-1? But we did that on the Montana, I think. Was it Montana or was it Dan Marino? I think it was Montana. Trenton Simpson, Eddie George. 3 packs left to go. Trey Tucker. Auto's going to be out of 199. That one's going over to the Raiders. Nike head. All day right there. Hendon Hooker, Dalvin Cook. And we got a Derrick Henry on the orange. It's out of 199. Oh, I thought we had... What is that back there? Purple. Kyler. Out of 49. All right, last one here. Lots of winners tonight, regardless of the SPs. Yep. That's right. Okay, we got a Joey Bosa, TLAW, Josh Jacobs, and Desmond Ridder. All right. So we got Choice, which you can get Nebula 101s out of there as well. And Plates and Patches, where you can get a plate, a 101 plate in here. We'll go Plates and Patches. Feels thick. Oh, man. We've got something super duper thick. Aiden Hutchinson. Like, this could borderline be 1 of 1 thick. Out of 25, Justin Jefferson for MX. Look how thick that was, though. I thought that was going to be something crazy. Out of 25, I'll still take the swag champ. MX. DJ Moore. Look at that man go. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. What a game for DJ Moore. We got Aiden O'Connell going over to the Raiders. Nike head. That's out of 300. And out of 75, Luke Kuechly for Thunderball. And last in here is out of 35, Cam Akers. Going to the Rams. Final box. Current lead, Scotty B. It only makes sense that the Contenders Optic goes to Scotty. I mean, anything happened in this pack right here. But Scotty is also the Contenders sicko. Oh, man. Oh, man. Dan Marino. Darius Davis. Hendon Hooker. Hey, now. Going to Hoosier. It's not numbered. Take the Hendon, though. That's tight. Jake Hayner. That's out of 80. Oh no. Saints. We have another Hendon Hooker. I think we have a black. I might be mistaken. Hoosier on the Lions getting this one as well. Also out of 80. Oh, I thought this was black and gold for a second. Christian Kirk out of 80. Eandis. And finish it off. Clayton Tune, Shoemaker, red and green, not numbered. Scotty B has done it. This is the winning card right here. That Michael Pittman Jr. 2 out of 10. There it is. 2 out of 10. Scotty B. Have yourself a day. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and randomize that 250 points, and then we'll get moved on to the baseball right here and wrap things up. All right. For the 250 points, I'm going to go ahead and click this randomize button once, and it'll go 1 through 32 on the draft picks. Let's do it. Spot 24. Cornerback with the Eagles. All right. Well, listen, I appreciate everyone who got up in the break and taking a shot at a huge TLAW. You guys are awesome. There were, like Straw said, a lot of winners other than Scotty. With all the good stuff that poured out today, I'm liking it. I want to do some more stuff like that in the future. I appreciate everyone who got up in there. And, yeah, stay tuned for the stuff tomorrow. We got one more break today.